Hi everybody, it's Shannon at the Peoria Art Guild and I'm on Zoom here with Val and we're going to do a quick video. Hopefully this will help you guys that are struggling in the virtual environment. So I'm going to share my screen. Here, share screen, here we go. So here we are at the Peoria Art Guild website and you're going to click here that says visit the fair. And they'll take you to the page where the link is. You have to register. This is kind of cool. We're doing this so that we can see where our visitors are coming from. And we've had visitors from, I think last check was over 32 states in the United States that have came to the virtual fair. So if you put that information, it goes into a spreadsheet and it helps us with our statistics. So then you're gonna hit this enter the 2020 fair and you're gonna come here. And right in here it says you must follow all instructions on the keyboard as instructed. So there's little prompts and it's not going to let you get by until you test the prompts. But also right here is a PDF where you can look at instructions if you want to. So it's going to pop up right here. It's going to give you a little test. You're going to take your mouse, and you should still have your mouse at this point, and you kind of click. And then you will start to hear the music. So you're going to take your arrows and you're going to start walking, and it's going to prompt you. It wants you to run. You don't have to run, but it wants to show you that you can run. So you're going to run, and then you can stop. And then it wants to show you that there's a map. So if you hit the M key, it brings up the map. And here it will tell you all the artists, and it has the map of the fair, so you can kind of get the flow of it. Also here, it has our sponsors, so you can go and check out our sponsors and all their websites. Close that. We're going to hit M again. This prompt will come up too. Most of us, 99% of us, are going to use keyboard only. The other option is for advanced gamers. I'm going to go back to that map again real fast so I can show you. Now, if you lose your cursor, like right now, I've lost my cursor, hit escape. Hit the escape key, your cursor will pop back up. This is your settings. You can mess with your volume or sensitivity, and this is what I told you, do this one, not this one, unless you're an advanced gamer. And if you go here, it's a little bit more about instructions. And if you want to hear about Interactiva, the designers of this virtual environment, it's right here. So we're going to go back out. We're at the riverfront. And I think we went through all the prompts. So we're going to walk under the Gateway building. And we're going to walk over here to the Pottery Boys tent. And as you're walking up to, you can do this almost out front, there's the Peoria Art Guild tent. Anything you walk up to, you'll kind of see the yellow, I say it lightens up yellow, but you kind of see how it highlights behind it, it's yellow. When it does that, you hit the space bar and it'll pull you in to look at the product or the photo or whatever you're zoning in on or zooming in on. So if you zoom in on it and you're like, oh, okay, that's cool, I'm done. If you hit the, okay, so you're in there and it wants you to, it's gonna prompt you to hit tab. When you hit tab, it's gonna bring up information about the Pottery Boys, and it's gonna give you an option to go to their website. And that website's gonna open in another window. So you can shop here, look around, and then when you're done, you can leave that open or close it up here, but then you jump back over and you're back at the fair. Now remember, anything you do, any prompt to get back out, you do the same thing. So you hit tab to go in here, so you're gonna hit tab to go out. And now you're back looking at the pottery and you're like, I'm done. And you just hit the space bar to get out. So space bar in, space bar out. You can't go to tab until you hit the space bar. So once you hit space bar and you've zoomed in, then you hit your tab, your information comes up. Hit tab again, it goes out. Hit space bar, and then you're back out, and then you can just keep on walking. So anytime that you want to look at something further, you just got to get up on it and see how it highlighted yellow, hit space bar, hit tab. Then you're going to go to the website, shop around, and then go back over to this tab, hit tab to go out, space bar to unlock the Zoom, and then you're able to walk again. So you're able to just jump all over the riverfront. It's kind of cool. Once you get over here, I'll show you, it's kind of fun. Once you get next to the Spirit of Peoria, you can hear the calliope whistle, which is kind of fun. Andrew and I went over and actually recorded it one Saturday morning. So once you walk over close to it, you start to hear it. It's pretty easy to get around once you've figured those things out. Val, does that help?
Yes, but let me tell you, first of all, be careful. You said you don't have to run. You actually have to hit that shift or you can't get the next prompt for the M.
That is true. That is true.
You gotta do that, which is what I wasn't doing. I was happy with walking. I didn't want to run, and I didn't realize there was more that I needed to do.
Right. Those prompts are there to show you what you can do. So when you see them pop up, you have to get through them, or it kind of doesn't want you to go any further. So,
okay.
Yeah, if you see something that says hit shift, just do it. You don't have to keep running, but they want to show you what you can do.
Okay. Yeah, and then I hit the M, okay, and now I have the map, and it's not telling me anything. Am I supposed to do something on this map once I hit?
No, it's just for your information. You can look at it and look at what artists there. So if you're looking for a specific artist, you can figure out what tent they're in and where they're at the park. You can also see the organizations because there's organizational tents that you can go in and explore. And then these side tabs like I went through if you want to look at our sponsors.
Okay, I get that, but I am now there. I ran, I hit M, I'm there. Now what do I do to get back to the tutorial so that I can get into the fair?
So you hit M to go into the map, hit M again, and it'll go out.
Okay.
Yep. So anytime you do a prompt, if you are stuck, do it again, it'll take you out.
Got it. Okay, and then now I can go into the fair. Okay. See, I got stuck on the map again. All right.
Yep. And I did the same thing at first. And so it is a little confusing. It's just new. It's just so new. I mean, gamers, they're used to this stuff. I'm just hitting the map so the music will stop. Gamers are used to this stuff, but us folks that haven't done it, it's all new.
Okay, so now I'm at the Pottery Boys. And it's not telling me to do anything.
So just walk around until you see something that kind of like walk up to the product till you see like a yellow kind of a glow behind the product.
Got it. Okay.
Then you hit your space bar.
Got it. And then I hit my tab.
Then you hit your tab. You don't have to hit tab. You can hit space bar again and walk away. If you're like, ooh, I don't like that or whatever, you can just walk away. But if you want to go further to look, you hit the tab. You just remember, just keep whatever you did before or do it again, it'll take you out.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Does that help?
Right. Yeah, that really helped a lot. I never got far enough to give me the space bar prompt because I didn't shift and run.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I did that too at first. Yeah. So it takes a second, but once you get it, you'll be going all over in there, and it's pretty fun.
Yep. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Val. Have a great evening.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye.